Sean Mogaila, the footballer who faces charges related to an alleged reckless driving incident that claimed the life of a 9-year-old girl this week, was on Friday released on R20,000 bail. The 29-year-old Sekhukhune United player appeared in the Tembisa Magistrates Court to apply for bail after his surrender to the police on Wednesday. According to the state, Mogaila's vehicle veered into the oncoming lane on Andrew Mafeto Road, colliding with a car carrying a woman and 2 children, National Prosecuting Authority spokesperson Findi Mionondwan said. The crash led to the death of Gomolemo Mavimbela, while her mother and 13-year-old brother sustained serious injuries. Authorities report finding alcohol bottles and suspected drugs in Mogaila's vehicle. Mogaila initially fled the scene but later turned himself in, facing charges of reckless driving, fleeing the scene, and culpable homicide. Mogaila is due back in court on February 4th as investigations continue. Now don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and be sure to comment on these riveting stories.